Sorkar jela nigsngi kalah penlong ya kejingelang mat kinuhi kai SSA banekren halor kimat jingdawa jongki. Habakran berkinong tok kubor hadin ke meeting Presiden Meghalaya SSA School Association uba Aristotle Rambai ulayuthu ba Commissioner and Secretary jong katanat puli puti ula pensyai dah kebaong bakat kum ki guidelines jong Sorkar India kanam don kanu kejinga per habdeng kinohikai SSA bat kinohikai Sorkar reiha kejela Meghalaya kidon artli kata kinohikai SSA bat kinohikai Sorkar barambai ulai itu ba ki guidelines jong ke Sorkar India yaitu ba baroar kata kinohikai SSA bat kinohikai Sorkar kihap ha keju kejingpet kata kadai ke Sorkar jela
for every teachers in schools. That will be done from the side of the government. Of course, we may help to some extent, but this is one of the biggest part that the education department should do it as soon as possible. This is what we need from all the kinds of teachers, SSA and for us for teachers also. And to make it clear, one another thing is I'm here on behalf of the 4 teachers that the regularization is not much a matter for teachers. That is, make it clear from Sub-Director today also that for teachers, they are already under education department. And this is just to make clear to all the 4 teachers also. And then these are the same points that we are discussing together today. And there are still lots of things that maybe we can say that we cannot expose as of now. We're still under discussion. So only this.
Ini ka meeting kaba kabala khot daga education department bat kabala chair dang Sir Vijay Kumar Mantri Commissioner and Secretary dang education department aka jingin don lang jong i director of school education and literacy Sir Swamil Tembe bat kumjuru aka jingin don lang i deputy state project director Sir Andrew Wadri kabanong kong ila pentip changi ka association kata chaka Meghalaya SSA School Association bat ka 4 Teachers Association pula pentip ba kamdon cadets katkum ka guidelines jong ka government of India Henry baro nado ka SSA bat ka government ma kidai ban hapo kawe ka management bat ka kata ka dega tadi ban pay da ka government Henry hastin Meghalaya jongi la pentri kam baklaya kani bat nami kumni cadets ka bamut SSA cadets bat government cadets kata ka point number 1 ka ba la pentip sini point number 2 lohong ba nakaliang jong ka state government kalayo pdiang shipun kila ki chithi na ka Ministry of Education jong ka Sarkar India hakabala direct yaki ba kin penbe yakani ka bakla te based on this letter but kumjur yak ka ba nakaliang jongi ila dawa menta ban wanra yaka policy na menta ka job security jong ki nohika SSA hapo Meghalaya kumale hakiwe ki state nakaliang jong ki menta kila shim yaka sinjam kumno ban wanra yakane ka policy kata ka point number 2 point number 3 nakaliang jong commissioner secretary ro pentip yani nakito ki pratli ki mat ki bangila depan summit aka first meeting ka bala nila syong ha pratli jong 9 November jong mentaw snem naki pratli the education department have take into consideration 5 points the further discussion regarding these 5 points will be on the next meeting which is supposed to be held on the before Christmas within this month of December. Ala consider but include haka policy ka point number 1 kalong ban pentri kam yaka pay structure na banta kinong hikay SSA but kum juro ban enhance ya katulok jong kinong hikay SSA as per existing policy or as per existing norms as far as concern regarding the salary and regarding the payment of salary for government teachers kabamut kaba ila ong ba ka government can consider ya katika kabangila ajimun nakalian job association ka revision of pay rules 2018 kata kare point number 1 ka point number 2 kaba ila pentip ini kalong ba nakalian job education department kan wanra alani kat kentu ba kabay de kasing ajimun joni nakabantaban wanra ya ka special package mo lani ka special package nang betaka nagta kito kinong hikay ti balajan karta ban shortai kata dari ka point number 2 ka point number 3 ka ba nakaliang jong ki kila pentip yang ikalong ba Amen ya kaneka Meghalaya School Education Service Rule kata ka point number 3. Ka point number 4 kalong ba yakitu kinong hikai SSA kibala join prior to 23rd August 2010 kaba ngi la dawa baleban palai naki ya MTET kanero kala dong under consideration. 5 kalong ba bakin na lor kani ke MTET bakin consider sa kasitet nagbenta ki no hikai SSA. Tikini kalong kita kisan tadi ki points ki bana kali ang job education department kali itu ini ba ka nakali ang kin consider, but further discussion on this will be there in the next meeting. Ka happe ya ka guidelines jok SSA. Pinging stick by nakali ang jok association as per guidelines but manual work jok SSA. Ka SSA ka ong kumno ba yakini ki no hikai SSA dai bantung ki government school. No. Whereas hang ni state jongi kumba pi omentan la shu island kumto bantung daki haki mission school, haki private school, nanta haki school shinong batunta tete. Te kata kadai manobale kata kadai ka state jongi. Nasta kata ka one no hani ka contradiction ke. Ya ka norms jong ka government of India but kala fair pat ka ba implementation hak state. Since it is under discussion, then kalian jongi patla ba itu pi ke. I think after the third meeting maybe the government official will give us mungkin mentana kalian jongi hi kau it comes under one management and that is government. No comments. I bahkan one suaka the third meeting after that kumbala ketik ini menjadi commissioner statement maybe after the third meeting nak kalian jong ka department kila ban haya ka